Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change video resolution in this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And usually you will start with the photo mode. So first of all, just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color, not yellow or orange color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now let's take a look at this option bar at the top, and right here we've got the resolution with frames per second. So just tap on it, and at the top we've got the resolution. In this device we've got 4 different options, so 720, 1080, 4K and 8K, with different frames per second. For 1080 we've got 30, 60 and 120 frames per second. So basically all you need to do here is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 8K, and as you can see it is immediately highlighted, which means that it was set, and from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. And the frame rate, as you can see, it will change depending on the resolution. So in 8K we've got only 30 frames per second, in 4K we've got up to 120, so it depends on the resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.